Hello children, how are you? Hope you all fine. Welcome to our class. In the last class, we learned about a special person. Who is that special person, children? Can you guess? Who is that special person? Yes, our mother. Today we are going to learn about a special person, about our mother. First, in the last class we learned first stanza. Today we are going to learn second stanza. Before going to that, a quick recall for you. Here we are saying first paragraph. Now we are going to learn first a quick recall for you. Mother is busy. She has 100 things to do. Cooking and washing, ironing and mending, and dusting too. Mother is busy. She has 100 things to do. Cooking and washing, ironing and mending, and dusting too. Rhyming time, children. Quick recall for you. Mother, brother, busy, easy. Things, rings. Cooking, looking. Wash, cash. Mending, bending. Dust, rust. Here our first poem is Helping Mother. Helping, helping, MOTHER, mother. In the last class we completed first stanza. Today we are going to learn second stanza. What we learn in first stanza? Our mother always busy with all works. We learned in first stanza. Now we are going to learn second stanza. Here, LETS, let's, HELP, help, MOTHER, mother. Let's help mother. LETS, let's, GIVE, give, HER, her, HAND, hand. Let's give her a hand. LETS, let's, HELP, help, ONE, one, ANOTHER, another. Let's help one another. AND, and, DO, do, WHAT, what, WE, we, CAN, can, and do what we can. Once again, we'll read second stanza, children. Let's help mother. Let's give her a hand. Let's help one another. Let's and do what we can. Say along with me, children. Let's help mother. Let's give her a hand. Let's help one another and do what we can. Children, in this stanza we are going to learn how to help your mother. How to help your mother. If you observe here, mother doing all works and she is always busy with all works. Do you know, children? She also gets tired after doing so much of work, but she never shows it off. But she never shows it off. So let's help mother. Let's help mother. Here, boy helping to her. Here, boy helping to his mother. Mother cleaning mirror, and this boy giving hand and giving support to his mother. Here, let's give her a hand. Let's give her a hand. If you help her in small doings, it would make her work much more easier, and she can rest. She can rest. It is very important to help one another. If you observe here, children are helping. Children are helping to mother. It's very important to help one another and to extend our hand, to support her in getting work done quickly. Here we are saying, and do what we can, We can do all works like sweep the floor, take out the garbage, set the table, clean the table, wash the dishes, dry the dishes. Here boy sweeping the floor. Here we can take out the garbage, and here boy setting the table, and here girl clear the table, doing some work, clear the table, and she is washing the dishes and he is drying the dishes. What work you can do, and you can help to your mother. Here once again we learn our second stanza. Let's help mother. Let's help mother means start doing work. Let's start helping to your mother. Let's give her a hand means giving support to our mother. Let's help one another. Means all together start doing work and do what we can. Means doing small things like cleaning the table, throwing the garbage, cutting the vegetables, keeping our toys, books, shoes in our racks, etc. Children, now it is rhyming time. Now we will learn some rhyming words from second stanza. Let's bets. L-E-T-S let's, B-E-T-S bets. Hand, band. H-A-N-D hand, B-A-N-D band. Another, bother. A-N-O-T-H-E-R, another. B-O-T-H-E-R, bother. Help, help. H-E-L-P, help. Y-E-L-P, help. Once again, say along with me, children. L-E-T-S, lats. B-E-T-S, bats. H-A-N-D, hand. B-A-N-D, band. A-N-O-T-H-E-R, another. B-O-T-H-E-R, bother. H-E-L-P, help. Y-E-L-P, help. Now we'll see pictures, children. Here, lats, bats. Hand, band. Another, bother. Help. Children, now we are going to learn synonyms. HUNDRED, 100. M-A-N-Y, many. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, hundred. Hundred means many, more than one. M-A-N-Y, many. M-E-N-D-I-G, mending. Mending. R-E-P-A-I-R-I-N-G, repairing. Repairing. Mending. Stitching clothes with needle meaning repairing. G-I-V-E, give. A-H-A-N-D, hand. Give a hand meaning H-E-L-P, help. S-U-P-P-O-R-T, support. Help, or you can say support. Give a hand meaning help or support. W-H-A-T, what. S-U-C-H, such. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. A-S, as. What meaning such things as. C-A-N, can. A-R-G-R, A-B-L-E, able. T-O-2, D-O, can meaning are able to do, means you can do any work, capable to do work. Can means are able to do, capable to do work. Once again say along with me. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, hundred. M-A-N-Y, many. M-E-N-D-I-N-G, mending. R-E-P-A-I-R-I-N-G, repairing. G-I-V-E, give. A-H-A-N-D, hand. Give a hand. H-E-L-P, help. S-U-P-P-O-R-T, support. W-H-A-T, what. S-U-C-H, such. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. A-S, as. C-A-N, can. A-R-E-R, A-B-L-E, able. T-O-2, D-O, are able to do. Once again say along with me, children. Hundred, many. Mending, repairing. Give a hand, help. Support, what. Such things as. Can, are able to do. With this we completed our second stanza. See you in next class.